Hello everyone, welcome to the wireless sensor network simulation sessions. So today we'll see how to download and install the softwares which are required for these sessions. So all the coming sessions. So the first one is the Omnetpp, and the other is INET framework, and the third is Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer is very common. So we'll only study how to download and install the Omnet++ and the INET framework. So let us first see how to download the Omnet++. So I just click on this Google Chrome. I click on the browser, and then I can type just Omnetpp download. You can see Omnetpp download. So this is the very first link, omnet.org. It is a free software. So you can see whatever it is also possible to we have various options, like it is also this Omnet++ is available for Linux, Windows and all the other operating system. So I have Windows, so I'll just click on Windows and I can just download this. Just as we click on, it will download the file. Okay, I have already downloaded it, so I am not clicking on it. Okay. Now after downloading, we get this compressed file. You can see this is the compressed file of Omnetpp 5.7 Windows version. So we need to extract this file. So we can just right click, okay, and click on this extract all. Okay, as soon as we click on this extract all, the file will get extracted after some time, and because I have already done this, so this is the file, the Omnetpp file is extracted here. Okay, now we can just double click on this extracted file, okay, and again click on this. So here you can see many files and folders are available. So it is better to go to the installation guide. So click on the document folder, and then you can see here install guide. So we click on this install guide. Okay, so in this case we are given the various commands, which command to use to install this particular software. So we'll just go to Windows. Okay. You can directly go to the Windows option. Okay. As you can see how to install this. So the very first thing is we have to open this the file. Okay, I'll show which file name is not given. So the very first command is where to type this command. Okay, /configure. Okay, and then this make command. So where to type this command, I'll show this. So we have to, we'll just go back. Okay, so this is the what we have in the Omnetpp folder. So we'll just double click on this. Okay, so this file you can see mingwenv. So actually I have already installed it, but you won't get this particular prompt. So the very first thing what we have to type is what I've shown, this command. Okay, this one. Okay, type /configure. Okay, it will take some time, and then again it will give the prompt. Okay, then in that case type make. Okay, and enter. So the very first thing after clicking this particular file, okay, this file I've shown this. So this file, when you click this file, after clicking this file, okay, it will give a command prompt type. So the very first command which we have to input is this one, /configure. Then it will do some processing. Okay, and then again it will come to a prompt. Then we have to type make. Okay, type this, and after typing this command, it will take almost 30 to 50 minutes to do the entire installation. When it is complete, okay, we'll get this type of a prompt. Okay, now what we have to do is we just type Omnetpp. That's all. Okay, so just enter it. Okay, and we will see that this Omnetpp will get started. Okay, this is the interface of Omnet++. Okay, once this is done, means our installation has been complete. Okay, but this make, when you type the make command, it will take nearly 30 to 50 minutes. Okay, in my case actually it took 55 minutes because my PC is having a 2 GB RAM. Okay, so this is the interface we will get. Okay, now say in my case this INET I have already installed. Okay, so when we are installing this for the first time, Omnet++, we'll get this interface without this INET file. Okay, INET folder. So it may give a prompt after installation of Omnet++ to get this INET 4 frame, INET 4. In case if we miss out, then also we can get this INET framework. So what to do in that case if we have missed out at the beginning? So we can go to the help, okay, and in the help we can see install simulation models. So if you click on this install simulation models, so here in this particular area you will get I'm not getting it actually due to some reason. So you will get INET 4, INET 3. You can click on INET 4, okay, click on INET 4 and it will tell us install project, okay. So in this particular area you will get that option INET 4 and INET 3, anyone. So you can click on INET 4, okay. So I'm getting some error here, okay. So see, download project descriptors as under some but if you have good net connectivity you will get this too here in this area. So you just click on INET 4, okay, and then click on this install project, okay, and then it will get installed. Now once INET 4 is installed you get this here, okay. Now one more step we have to perform, okay. So the next step is we have to click on this INET 4, okay, right click on this and you can see it is given build project, okay. So you have to click on this build project, okay, and after clicking this this processing will be done maybe about 50 to 60 minutes. It will take about 50 to 60 minutes, and once that is done, now we are ready with this, okay. You can see many simulation models are available in this INET, okay. You can click on here and you can see there are in examples, okay, there are many simulation models are available. So this is how we perform the last step and then we are ready to use this, okay. Now let us see how to open up the software. So this, you click on this Omnetpp, okay, and click here and click on this particular one which we had used for installation. It will give us a prompt, okay, and in that particular prompt we just type Omnetpp and this simulator will start, okay. So this is how we access this particular simulator, okay, and in that particular simulator we can use various simulation models, especially in the INET case, okay. We will see this in the coming sessions, okay. So this is how we get the simulator, okay, and we can access the files from here, okay. So thanks for watching.